Welcome to Is imToken Wallet Safe? Usage Experience. Links to imToken Wallet and its official resources are included in the description below. imToken is a versatile multi-chain cryptocurrency wallet designed for both casual and advanced users. It supports a wide range of blockchain ecosystems, including Ethereum, Bitcoin, Binance Smart Chain, and others, making it an ideal choice for users with diverse portfolios. imToken is particularly popular in the DeFi and NFT spaces, offering tools to manage tokens, interact with dApps, and participate in decentralized exchanges directly from the wallet. imToken's standout feature is its user-friendly interface, which simplifies wallet management without sacrificing advanced functionalities. The wallet provides seamless integration with decentralized applications, allowing users to stake tokens, lend assets, and trade on decentralized exchanges. Its built-in browser makes navigating blockchain-based services convenient and intuitive. For NFT enthusiasts, imToken also supports ERC-721 and other token standards, enabling you to manage your collectibles alongside your cryptocurrencies. Security is a core focus of imToken. The wallet employs advanced encryption to safeguard private keys, which are stored locally on your device rather than on external servers. This ensures that you maintain full control over your assets. It also supports multi-signature functionality, giving users an additional layer of security for managing funds. For further protection, imToken offers integration with hardware wallets, such as Ledger, allowing users to store their assets offline while managing them through the app. Another highlight is its token support. imToken is compatible with thousands of tokens across multiple chains, with real-time portfolio tracking and market updates. The app also includes a built-in exchange feature that allows you to swap tokens within the wallet, saving time and enhancing convenience. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or an experienced DeFi user, imToken Wallet provides a secure, feature-rich platform for managing digital assets. Its balance of simplicity and functionality makes it a reliable choice for storing and interacting with crypto. To explore or download imToken, check the links in the description below.